Ito ang ating unang topic mga kaibigan. Some gets thumb down disappointing impeachment vote at Senate. Ito ay article ng ABS-CBN News. Some guests in the Senate session hall who witnessed the vote on the articles of impeachment walk out after they made the thumbs down sign when Senator Rodante Marcoleta finished explaining his vote in support of the motion to archive. So noong nakaraan nga po na pinagdedebatehan po nila kung ano yung gagawin sa impeachment articles ni Sara Duterte doon sa Senado, kung i-table, i-archive o kung ano-ano man, pinaglabanan nila yan. And ayun, may mga nadismaya sa naging resulta tulad nung nandun sa Senado. These guests were from Tindig Pilipinas, Akbayan Party List, Nagkaisa Labor Coalition, and Kalipunan ng Kilusang Masa. They were escorted out of the session hall at the Senate building by members of the Office of the Sergeant at Arms. Ayun ang pinakamalupit. Pinaalis sila, naggaganon lang naman. Akala mong may, akala mong kutsilyo tong daliri nila, di ba? Nakakabisi. Maka-escort, kala mo nagbabato ng kamatis. Eto, sabi ni Tindig Pilipinas co-conventor Francis Aquino D. Ang alam ko, bawal pumalakpak, bawal tumawa, bawal magsalita. Wala po tayong sinabi, wala po tayong ginawa. Naghayag lang po tayo ng talagang disappointed po tayo sa mga nangyari sa Senado, ito yata ang kapalit. Hindi naman sila pumalakpak, hindi din naman sila tumawa, hindi din naman sila nagsalita. Nagganon lang sila, nag-sign. Diba? The Senate on Wednesday voted 19-5 in favor of dismissing Minority Leader Tito Sotto's motion to lay on the table or set aside the motion to dismiss the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte. So yun yung unang botohan. Dinismiss muna nila yung motion na i-table yung articles of impeachment para naman, ang explain naman dito ni Tito Sotto is para mas madali nilang magamit uli yung articles if ever balikan nila yung impeachment case. Ngayon naman, after nito, Marcoleta then agreed to amend his motion and make it a motion to archive na sinadjust ni pangalan nun, ni Zubiri. Ayan, inaprobahan ng mga senador with a vote of 19 affirmative or okay, 4 negative or ayaw nila, and 1 abstain or wala. Bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. So, yung bumoto nun sa, yung 5 bumoto dun, hindi pabor sa itable, hindi, dun sa pabor. Tama, yung pabor sa i-table muna dun sa, yung una kay Tito Sotto, tapos yung nag-disagree naman sa i-archive muna yung articles, di same person nandun halos. This means that the Senate will adhere to the immediately executory decision of the Supreme Court that blocked Duterte's trial. So, nung mga nakarang araw nga mahibigan, sinabi ng Supreme Court na unconstitutional yung proseso dun sa impeachment kay Sara Duterte. Sabi-sabi lang nila yun. Akbayan President Rafael David, who also did a thumbs down sign, said there was no need to rush the Senate decision since there is no final ruling from the Supreme Court yet. Nag-comment pa lang dito yung Supreme Court. Diba? Yun yung sinasabi nila. Wala pang final decision na sinasabi na itigilin nyo yan. Sinabi lang unconstitutional yung proseso. Sinabi man tigil? Diba? Ito sabi ni Akbayan President Rafael David, we are very much disappointed and also alarmed at how the Senate can stand on the side of injustice. She said she and her companions had hoped the Senate would listen to the people and exercise caution in voting on the impeachment case. And sabi naman nila na, yung pag-archive daw dun sa articles of impeachment, dismissal na rin yung ibig sabihin. May mga nagsasabi din mga kaibigan na kahit hindi pa nagsisimula impeachment, dismiss naman dahil dun sa mga kupal na nasa Senado. Nakita niyo yung picture nung kay Marcoleta tapos merong 4 na demonyo sa likod. The feed insisted that they are pushing for the impeachment because they are for truth and accountability, including finding out who Mary Grace Piatos is and where confidential funds allocated to Duterte's office went. Kaya sila nagpapa-impeach para maging accountable yung mga officials. Pero dahil nga sa pagbotong iyan, parang mas umuokay pa ang korupsyon. Diyos ko naman. Nakakabwisit yung mga senador na yan. Ito sabi ni Akbayan President, Senator just closed the doors to justice. Aquino D, one of the complainants in the first impeachment complaint, said the vote was not surprising but still hurt. Hindi naman tayo masurprise na madi-dismiss, 'di ba? Ang problema kasi, 'di ba? Ito sabi ni D, sa pagkakalam ko, sumunod naman po ako sa tamang proseso. Hinain po natin sa House of Representatives yung complaint natin. Sabi niya, that complaint, one of 4, was eventually archived with the House with the House endorsing a 4th complaint by lawmakers themselves. So, ayun yung nangyari. Yung pang-apat na case ay yung House na mismo yung medyo na madali nga itong pagbibigay. So naman, Aquino D scored the technicality that Duterte had been denied due process in the impeachment proceedings. Ito sabi niya, parang napaano po yung due process ng mga pumupunta lang na nagkaroon ng komento yung Vice Presidente na nagbanta siya ng grave threats laban sa kapwa Pilipino. He said it was his feelings about that may have prompted him to show his disappointment at the Senate. Akbayan Savid said they will regroup, await the SC decision, and continue to push for accountability. And dahil archive na nga yung impeachment, and meron pang 1 year na pero hindi pa naman ata final yung 1 year na yun, o final na, not sure. Basta yun, dahil sa mga ganyan, ano mangyayari sa Pilipinas na to? Diba? Ano mo masasabi dyan mga kaibigan? Comment down below.